Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Bing Webmaster Tools for indexing SEO checks, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Bing Webmaster Tools website. If you do not have a Microsoft account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Fill in the required information to create your Microsoft account. Once your account is set up, sign in to Bing Webmaster Tools using your new credentials. After logging in, you will reach the dashboard of Bing Webmaster Tools. To add your website, click on the Add a Site button. Enter the URL of your website in the designated field. Click on that Add button to proceed. You will now need to verify your ownership of the website. Choose your preferred verification method, such as adding a meta tag or uploading an XML file. Follow the on-screen instructions corresponding to your chosen method. Once your verification method is successfully implemented, click on the Verify button. After verification, your website will be added to your Bing Webmaster Tools account. Next, navigate to the SEO Reports section for indexing checks. Here, you can analyze various aspects of your website's SEO performance. Explore the available tools to identify potential issues that may affect indexing. Review the recommendations provided by Bing Webmaster Tools to enhance your site's SEO. Make necessary adjustments based on the insights gathered. Finally, regularly check back to monitor your site's performance and indexing status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.